Hi, I'm Chris with Wobbly Otter Outdoors, and this is about the Smittybilt Overlander tent in wind and rain. On our Smittybilt Overlander tent review, somebody asked about how it performed in heavy wind and rain. We've used the tent in rain in both Colorado and the high plains of Texas, and for heavy wind, definitely in the Big Bend region of Texas. We met up with some heavy wind all through one night. When you have it in heavy wind, it will slap the fly against the sides of the tent, and it's very, very loud if you're trying to sleep. But as far as comfort, you stay comfortable inside. It just gets a little loud. In case you ever wondered if you should tie down your rooftop tent, the answer is yes. A gust of wind, probably with these clouds, just came through and literally folded our tent up. We're glad we weren't in it, and we may be putting tie downs on it just as soon as possible. Nice. Very nice. Pretty.
So if we have a tornado, we're still out of luck.
Yeah.
Anything short of that, we should be okay.
Okay. Good. Because of the high winds we experienced in Big Bend, we worked on different ways to tie down the tent that maybe didn't even involve staking it down, tying it down to the Morris Mule trailer that we have it on top of. In a separate video, we talk about the different tie down methods, and the one we ended up settling on that's quick and you don't have to use ground stakes. If you have really, really heavy winds though, it's probably best to use the ground stakes to stake it down. So it's our last night in Big Bend Ranch State Park at Papalote Llano Nuevo, and it's windy. We may not get much sleep tonight because of that. So I hope everyone watching is somewhere safe and sound and quiet. Good night. This is what the tent looks like without the ring fly. Through all the winds, the tie downs got a little bit loose, but they sure kept it from wriggling much. Here's the awning holes held up the ends of the fly on the front and the back. And then the ring fly was too long to fit into anything in the middle of the night, so Bill fastened it down to the top of George using the awesome rings on the sides. There he is, flyless. And all those times, we never had any rain or water get inside the tent. It stayed leak-free and performed great. So we definitely recommend it if you're going to be out in the wind and the rain. It will do well. Our thanks to everyone who has watched and liked and commented on our Smittybilt tent review video. We're well over 11,000 views of it now, and we really appreciate everybody's interest, and we hope that it's been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and subscribing to Wobbly Otter Outdoors.